Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard, author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Watch it bloom. The right one will not find pleasure in your pain, for if she does, she's not the right one, and she never was. The right one will see your pain and the whole of who you are, then plant a flower and watch it bloom. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was beautiful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, think of 3 things you're grateful for right now. I am grateful for my computer. I am grateful for the beautiful morning I got up to. I am very grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.